Are you protecting your family and home from pests?
Some might call me a perfectionist, obsessed with every detail. So when it comes to pest prevention, you can be sure we'll handle it the right way.
Dealing with a pest problem is not a game. Pests aren't just a nuisance. They can cause home damage, sting, bite, cause allergies, and even spread dangerous diseases.
You don't always know that you have a pest problem until it's too late.
Play ball!
Doing a detailed inspection inside and outside your home is absolutely necessary.
To prevent a pest problem, do what we did and call Killingsworth and let them do the work. The technicians at Killingsworth are experts in the field. They explain the service, are reliable, and they get the job done.
Killingsworth technicians can catch potential problems before they become big problems. Contact us today. Leave the work to us.